My lovely child, never lose hope just when you think it is over. God sends you a miracle. Don't get discouraged when you feel like you are in it by yourself. God is still there and will never leave you. He is all you could ever need. If you knew what God has headed towards you, you would not be upset. Rest in Him, trust Him because He's got you. God can restore what is broken and change it into something beautiful. All you need is faith, even if it's as small as a mustard seed. God says, I know how hard it was for you to pull yourself out of your dark situation. I know the toll that it took on you mentally. I am happy for you because you trusted me and together we got through it. I love you. Type yes if you believe in me. And also subscribe the channel. Thank you.